Skibby, good morning, my brother.
Morning, bro, Bobby. Kunjan.
All right. It's a beautiful day.
It's not beautiful. Wait a minute.
You're not single, are you?
Not that I know. Like,
He's married. He's married. I don't know why you are hesitant. You are married.
Well, did you come to my wedding? Like, did you see the invite?
I saw the wife and she told me she was your wife. And you looked embarrassed.
And there was someone that said, hey, here's a popo meeting. And I call in the left. So,
Psychos.
Romance.
Psychos.
Someone is at Chris Brown's house. Alan.
I know.
Don't believe everything you see. Eh?
I know.
I'm married partially.
Shananas.
Oh, okay.
You know when you use big English words, no end. Yeah, hey, become partially. Partially. Yeah.
That's Michelle.
Very disadvantage, disadvantage. Hey, brother,
Good, hey?
who was that guy that was here yesterday from Soweto? Because you were talking about driving.
Oh, yes.
Anonymous.
Yeah, he was anonymous.
Thathi malakhe taxi yokugcina weza la ukuthi azongingisa. Yeah, basifakela igesi eningi encane. Kulatha right shana zathi ukabona umuntu oshayi oplashaya angabe yangingiza sisikole ungangibhebheki kanje. This guy usukele uzokhuluma iSoweto yonke yangingiza ayi1. Yeah, vele bashisa abatayere. Sikwatile. Who are you? Nyenyomas. Uva. Esco iastina. Sinamali siyahlupheka kuma nje kunogogo osho uthi Bob oshonisa ngemali sizoyenza njani anisebenza hayi asebenzisani kahle Eskom. Because you guys want to finish his sentences and he's saying something else. Like, kuma nje asikho right into asikho asirondanga kahle amatayira sifuna ukushisa isakomze restaurant siyayishisa masiqeda sitshontshe inyama. Nisho inyama ishile angisho kanjalo. Who was that guy? Who decided that we're going to choose this one?
He chose himself.
You know, Shelly was leaving and I begged him.
Hey, okay, in closing, what you want to say? Eskom. Sitinga imaleni. Also, it was on fire. They choose one guy. That's status for the whole day. Like, move. You're busy laughing because I could tell you want to laugh, but it's not Friday yet. Eh?
John, you're full of nonsense. The man had his car keys, he drove here, so stop talking nonsense.
Oh, you're driving. Maybe I put my 1 rand. You can say we run. Run. I don't know. I can say whatever I want. Yeah, young dinner and run. Boya, big about one man. So, Tiasha, only a puppy. No one that.
We did have an interesting week though in this case.
It was interesting. I understand why are they pinning things down, bro?
One never understands.
And now I get a gig yesterday. He was come, Shapunjan. I want you to come perform with where, but so it's good. But the Orlando la panga se vita look at me na. Hey, my tyrant. Not the one who put talking his second up on your hair. Remember I said that king is. Shay choke sahle. Solos is going down.
You can't be celebrating.
I'm celebrating. First of all, there's no player Solos in at 26. Number 67. Tsulupa 44. Raja Shabangu, half drunk. Mawuhlanganisa iminyaka yabo 103 bayi3 amaplayi3 la. Can't speak English, going down to the relegation zone.
Oh, no, man.
We will come up. When? Asase. Hey, abantu abadala bane high shame. Besolo umuntu akekho umuntu ofave solo sona 24. Akekho ofave solo. Abafave solo bane high banoshukela, bane gout abanye,
Hip replacement.
abanye bana voice. Hey, phela sihamba. Anazabo crack Rossi badlisa man. Amabhandinti phela kula mabhandinti angena ejele kudala bathi uzophuma la ejele isolo simayiwini league. Yeah. La bihlele khona uzathi bafashini umuntu yofela lana mara. Anyone we should young is a should you hear a guarantee that's stuttering. They hear the one from Sweden. Ozokhuluma ngamatayara ukuthi
yeah.
Jaba baqale shawel sathi badlala ngathi kanti baseza kanje ubaba zanga interview la out 20 minutes no point like we don't know why he was here like yeah but okay so what do you want to say to Eskom nis
We asked you the question on our Facebook page. Is it ever okay to date a friend's ex? A lot of you have responded. And I think the divide is quite clear. Guys don't mind. It's fine because they're probably always looking at your friend. That's for sure.
Anyway.
I don't care who you are. If your first name is Charlie or Keta or Skumba, you are looking at your woman's friends.
Of course.
The women don't want it at all.
No. Because they don't want to share.
What's your opinion then?
My opinion Yet depend.
Remember you're happy married.
No, yet depend. Like Rob mangabe bahlukene. Bahlukene.
Yeah.
And better the devil you know that the one you don't know, eh?
Okay, I've never looked at it that way. I like that.
Ngiyamazi ukuthi unjani umngane wami uhluleke kuphi mina ngizosebenza la
Typical cheat speaking right there.
la khona umngane wami ngilapho so bro mina ngamcela ngathi mara ngayitshela ukuthi yami ntwana mara kunomuntu wakho bohlomba naye ngicela ukuthi sibe si amalgamation amagama amakhulu senze amalgamation.
Yebo.
Yeah.
I don't see a problem. You know what? I like the way you're looking at it now.
Moyo lokhu ngikutshelile bro. Angilaba ibhenge sababa. Hell no, ukuthi hell no. Okusalayo. Makungekho kunento ayenzayo khomuso. Mr. Mayor. Anyane, kuri anyane. Ya mara suthi wamutla ko radio ngomuso. Akiri business spot.
Home straight.
Home straight. Nami ngiphambi kwakho ngicela ama straight.
Oh my word.
Friends,
Sharing is caring. I think people should be considered. I mean, if Charlie goes with Khumuzo, at least Khumuzo knows what he likes, his tendencies, and
how ude waya ka even cause bekhuluma ngePirates kwadlula usonono wathi hey.
What is with teenagers and boy bands?
It's been like that forever.
Exactly. So that's where we're going today.
You remember Image?
Yeah, Club Image.
No, the band.
Yeah.
Chico, Don Laga, Donovan Knox. My goodness, the girls were going crazy.
Exactly.
And that's like mid-80s, eh?
So we're taking it back there. So when you were in your teens, who were you crushing on? Obviously, those were the boy bands.
Yeah. It is Mother's Day on Sunday.
Yes.
I went to my mom. I'm going home. Mama, and my mom is always in a bad mood.
Always.
Always. Mom never smiles. For what? For who? But mama ngicula sikhumbuza ngibhizi nyawashi. Sikhumbuza anginasikhathi sokudlala mina. Mama ufuna ukucula la. Okay, cula ke. I'll make love to you like you want me to. And I tell you, mom. Okay, ticula nyeke. I wanna say Julie, esimvume yami la. Ngicela utolika le ngoma icela ukucula manje. Ma tolika le ngoma icela ukucula. Kona uyangibheka uthini kimi emehlweni. Yini into shock kimi? Wona sexy yabo ko
How old were you?
I was young when probably my mom had me when she was 17. So me and my mom are like friends, like in Pincham.
Yeah.
And like so, I come tell ngale ndlela.
Okay.
So mama when sexy. What's that?
Meanwhile, you have no idea.
Oqala ngisho babakho. Angina boyfriend. Ungibheke emehla njengomntanami ungitshela into ethani imvubu yami la. Mama bekashaya propop. La mama loyana sema yazi ithuna lakhe ithumtsona yakhe nyobeka imvubu phezulu. Hamba nayo. Hamba nale mvubu angeke. Hey, propop ngishayiwe mina.